stole it. Put it on the daddy, bitch too fast, I can't control it.
Bit dirty as hell. Yeah, you can. Oh, that shit. My shit dirty, y'all. This what happen when you smoke in your car. I ain't gotta wash it so long. It been too dirty.
What did the 7.5 joint? The barrel joint?
This the blackout motherfucker.
Right, yeah, you got the little short. Yeah, the short. You know, sometimes jump be coming at this.
Yeah. Alright, it's trash.
What you call nigga turned up the Josh nigga, that boy got the McLaren that he.
Yeah, Josh. I used to watch him. Well, I still kind of do.
His ass left the Hellcat. That boy was foreign.
Yeah. I'm trying to get like that too. Cause these Hellcats is really just fun cars. I'm trying to be in some goddamn luxury shit too. Luxury.
He got this little Benz motherfucking.
But he got hella cars. He got hella cars. I think he got about like 5 cars.
That shit crazy how shit just be.
He started off with a scat though.
Talking about that.
It was like a green and purple. It was 2 different colors.
Yeah.
It'd be tough. Oh. Oh my God. Hey, move out the way, bro. This bitch look crazy. So this how the front bumper look now. Finna get a whole new front bumper. I see all that damage right there. Missing the fog light. Finna go ahead and get that replaced. Whole new bumper. Take that logo, little badge off. The fake ass SRT logo. That's the fakest SRT logo I ever seen. I don't know why they would put that on there. But I'm finna get a whole new bumper, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Just had the 392 look. I gotta get this window replaced. Yeah, I gotta get that window replaced. It just don't roll up and down, that's all. It just stopped working. So I gotta get that replaced. Take these ugly ass logos off. And the guy got this damage right here, and that's it. Y'all stay tuned. I just got the new bumper. I'm waiting on the new fog light to come in, y'all, so y'all. That's why the fog light ain't right there, but I'm waiting on the new fog light. But I got a whole new front bumper, y'all. See right there, I got that badge removed from right there. I ain't got that ugly ass SRT logo, the straight one. $392, almost done, y'all. If y'all wondering why I've been gone so long, I had dropped the $392 off at this body shop, but they was taking too long on getting the parts. So I had went to my regular guy, and he got the parts in 3 days, and he got it done. So I just got the car back yesterday. The only thing left I gotta do with the physical damage is just these doors right here, and then I got this little fender damage right there, but that's about it. I'm gonna get a wrap, new brake colors, all shit like that. But $392 almost done, y'all. Whole new front bumper. That bitch looks so clean. Yep. Y'all drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you new, and turn on post notifications. I got videos every week, y'all. I'm back on the grind. I gotta get this window fixed too, because it don't roll up and down. That's the only issue with it. It's a window there, but it just don't roll up and down. I gotta get that fixed. But front bumper is on, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more content.
Lately been popping my shit hard, I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it weapon. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the heaven.